Look at this. We are trying to go with parent-child SQL query. What is this parent-child SQL query and how we are going to use it? Look at the format. When you say two objects are connected, if they have a lookup relation or a master detail relation. You have two objects are connected to each other. If two objects are connected to each other by using a lookup or a master detail, then we want to fetch parent data along with the corresponding child record. My intention is get the parent record along with the corresponding child records. Get the parent record along with the corresponding child records. Get the parent record along with the corresponding child records. Get the parent record along with the corresponding child record. One parent may have multiple number of childs or 0 childs. It may have 0 or 1 or n number of childs. We are not sure. Parent record along with the corresponding child records we want to fetch. Parent record along with the corresponding child records we want to fetch. Fetch parent along with corresponding child. Fetch parent along with the corresponding child. So look at this example here. How these two objects are connected? Either a lookup field is created or master detail. Who created that? Salesforce or user? Lookup field can be created between these two objects by the Salesforce or by the user. Who created this? If the Salesforce created the standard lookup field, both the objects are connected by the standard lookup field. Both the objects are connected by the standard lookup field. If both the objects are connected by the standard lookup field, then let us see this. List of parent. Select parent field 1, then comma, select child field 1, childs from parent. Select parent field 1, parent field 2, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs from parent. Whatever the child object is there, the object in the plural form. Select parent field 1, parent field 2, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs from parent. Now let us see. If two objects are connected, account and contact object, who established the relation? Is it a customer or user? Is a Salesforce. Salesforce established the relation between account and contact. We are getting a parent record with a child record. So how the query is going to be? List of account equal to name, phone, select last name, first name from contacts. This is how we are writing the query. So I am least bothered about whether it is a standard object or a custom object. What I am worried is who established this relation. I am not interested whether it is a standard object or a custom object. Now what I am interested is who established the relation between these two objects. Either the Salesforce or user. Who established the relation? Either the Salesforce or the user. Now I'm not worried about whether it's a standard or a custom. What I am worried is I am worried about whether it's created by the user or a Salesforce. Now look at the format here. Now I have got account and opportunity. Who established this? Who established the relation? Right? That is the Salesforce. Now write the query according to this. Write a query. Write a query. This is how we have created. Select name, industry, select name, stage name from opportunities from account. If it is a custom relation, if it is a standard relation, this is the way. If it is a custom relation, that means Salesforce has not created. User has created the relation. If it is a custom relation, then it is going to be like this. Select parent field 1, parent field 2, comma, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs underscore R. If the relation between two objects is created by the user, it's not a standard relation, it is a custom relation. If the relation between two objects is not created by the user, it is a custom relation, then we are going to have select parent field 1, parent field 2, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs from parent. Then let us say I have a account. Now this relation is established by user. Account and payment relation is established by user. payments underscore R. Because it's a custom relation, we're going to have sales underscore R. If the relation is a custom relation, then we are going to have sales underscore R. If the relation is a custom relation, then we are going to have sales underscore R. Now, look at the next one, account and loan. Who created the relation? User created the relation. Account and loan. The loan we have, type of loan, amount. Write a SQL query to get a list of accounts with the corresponding loan records. Write a SQL query to get a list of accounts with the corresponding loan records. Write a SQL query to get a list of accounts with the corresponding loan records. List of accounts with the corresponding loan. The same story, right? The same story we are going to get. Right, this is how we got it. I hope people followed. Fetching an account with the corresponding contacts, fetching an account with the corresponding loans, fetching an account with the corresponding payments. Now when you're doing this, the primary point we need to understand here is, the primary point what we need to understand is the entire relation what we are writing, is purely based on, is it a standard relation or a custom relation. Whatever the relation we are writing, it was purely based on whether it is a standard or a custom. Are you writing this based on a standard, or are you writing this based on a custom? Is it a standard relation or a custom relation? How are you creating it? Is it based on a standard or based on a custom? When you are writing this, we are trying to fetch. When you are writing this query, if you look at this query, we are basically trying to understand whether it is a standard or a custom. Who created the relation? Standard relation or a custom relation? If it is a standard relation, how will you achieve it? If it is a custom relation, how will you achieve it? We are not interested whether it is a custom object or standard object. What we are interested is whether it is a standard relation or a custom relation. Whether the relation between two objects is a standard or a custom is the question mark. We are not interested whether it is a standard object or custom object. Is that was clear? So we are writing a query to fetch parent along with its child. We are fetching parent data along with the corresponding child. Fetching the parent data along with the corresponding child. Fetching the parent data along with the corresponding child. Fetching the parent data along with the corresponding child records. I hope you are good. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the next examples. I hope you followed this. Now every parent will have multiple number of childs. Now look at this example now. If you want to process this data, we also require one extra concept called a map. Now what was this map here? Look at this map key comma value. What is this key comma value? Now try to get the point here. What is the key comma value? Now what is the use of this? Now what is the use of this? What is the key value? What is the use of this? Now look at the point. You have, let me give, like I told you, you are taking a notes. If I ask you to open the notes of, list, what will you do? You keep shuffling the pages because you are not maintaining any index. So searching for the data will be difficult for you. Searching the data will be difficult for you. Am I right? Now why? Because as you are opening the book, it's a list of pages. The data is there. Data is there in the pages. But if you want to search, it takes more time. If you want to search, it takes more time. If you want to search, it takes more time because it's a list of pages. Instead of that, if I maintain an index, right? Page number, topic name. Page number, topic name. So if I give page number, okay, topic name, get the page number. It is easy for you to search. As I told you, another example, your mobile phone. In the mobile phone, if you store only your phone numbers, what will happen? Right? Now in the mobile phone, if I store only phone numbers, what will happen? Right? Now if you want to make a call to a particular person, what will you do? Then it's difficult for you to identify whose phone number is this. Then instead of that, in the mobile, what we are doing? We are storing in the form of key value, where name is the key, phone number is the value. If you store name and phone number, then when you are searching, based on the name, if you search, we get the corresponding phone number. Are you getting my point here? Am I clear? In the, you have a list of student data. I have 1,000 students information with me. If I want to search the information about Satish, how will you search? How will you search? Go to the first one, start searching. Okay, what is that? Satish, wherever it is matching. Right? Then I am getting the data. Now it is very difficult for me to retrieve the data when you have bulk amount. So that is the reason shortcut way is a map, where we are going to search the data based on the key. Key will be unique, value can be duplicate. Key will be unique, value can be duplicate. We are storing the data in the form of key value pair. We are storing the data in the form of key value pair. We are storing the data in the form of key value pair. We are storing the data in the form of key value pair, where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Right. So what was this? Create a map with city name as key, state as well. So now I'm creating map of city name is the key, state is the value. My account number will be like this. Create a map with account ID as key and account as well. account ID as a key, account as a value. Create a map with account name as key and account as value. Right. Create a map with account name as a key, account as a value. Create a map with account name as a key, account as a value. Then, how do you insert? In the list, we will insert the data like add element. In the map, how do you insert? Put key comma, put a key comma value. How do you insert? Put a key comma value. Look at the example. Map of string comma student map dot put. So what I'm doing, create a map with student name as a key, student as a value, student city as a value. Create a map with the student name as a key and student name as a value. Create a map with the student name as a key, student name as a key and city as a value. How are you inserting? Put. If it is a list, add. If it is a map, put. If it is a map, put. Then try to understand the next concept here. Create a map with account name as key and account phone as value. Then list of accounts equal to select id comma name comma phone. Right. Then what I was doing, map of string take one by one account map dot put a dot name account map dot put a dot name a dot phone. So what we are doing, taking one by one account, take one by one account, put account name as a key, account phone number as a value. What is the purpose of put? Put is to insert the value, create a map. Create a map with account ID as key and account as value. Create the map and insert the value. Write a query, get the data.
Hello, Satish.
Yes.
Now, in the first example, you mentioned that the key has to be unique and the value can be
Yeah.
duplicate.
Now,
So if you
yes,
put Ram,
yes, I was expecting the point here. I gave Ram equal to Hyderabad. Again, I inserted Ram equal to Bangalore. Ram equal to Bangalore. Then what happened? The same key will be replaced. Now, what is the value we have? Bangalore, Ram, Bangalore. When you insert the duplicate
okay,
key, existing value will be replaced. Okay.
thank you.
Now, everyone do this. Then how do you take it? Map of for what do you put it? ACC map dot put a dot id. What is that a dot id? A is an account id, and A is an account. A dot id, A dot id, account id, A is an account. A dot id is an account id, A is an account. People are following my points. Am I clear with this? Now, what is the purpose of put? Put is to insert. Put is to insert the new record. Now, let us see the next one. Create a map with account name as a key, list of contacts as value. This is the reason why we stopped map concept earlier. Create a map with account name as key, list of contact as value. What is the key? Map of string, list of map of string comma list of contact. Map of string comma list of contact. List of account, list of account. Account is equal to fetch the account data with the corresponding contacts. Fetch the account data with the list of contacts. For account A, accounts. Then how will you do that? ACC map dot put A dot name, A dot. What is that A dot context? I have used A dot context. A is an account. Account have what? List of. Account have a list of contacts. What is the word you used here? Contacts. So I have to give A dot contacts. One account will have list of contacts. How do you refer to this list of contacts? A is an account. That account contacts are referred with this word. What is the word we use here? Contacts. So it is A dot contacts. Did the people get this point? Did the people get this point? Right, boss? A is an account. Simply look at the format for account A. A is an account. A is an account. If A is an account, A dot contacts. List of child contacts. How can you take one by one contact? For if A is a account, A dot contacts is list of shared contacts. A is an account, A dot contacts. If A is an account, A dot contacts. If A is an account, A dot contacts. That account contacts. If A is an account, that account contacts. If A is an account, that account contacts. Right, boss? Are you getting my point? If A is an account, A dot contacts. Account contacts. Okay. Let me give you this. A. What is the contacts? A dot contacts. Create a map with account name as key and list of contact names as create a map with account name as key, list of contact names as value. I am looking at a contact name. I am not taking a complete contact. I was taking a contact name. So what was my requirement? Tell me how the map will be. Map of account name is string, list of contact. Am I taking a contact or contact names? Contact names. List of string. Map of string, list of string. Map of string, list of string. Map of string, comma, list of string. So how do you take? Select ID, comma, name, comma, phone. Select last name, first name, phone from contacts from account. Select ID, comma, name, comma, phone. Select last name, first name, phone from contacts from account. Account A, accounts. Take one by one contact, list of string. We take one by one string. How you take the contact names? Contact C. Contact C, A dot contacts. Contact C, A dot contacts. Contact C and A dot contacts. Contact C, A dot contacts. Then what we are taking? Names. String A, C dot last name plus C dot first name. We are giving names dot add. ACC map dot put. ACC map dot put A dot name names. Now what did I do in this case? I took an account and the corresponding contacts I have taken. I added last name plus first name. Then I have kept in a list. So every account will have list of contacts. One by one contact name I have taken and kept in the list. So account name is the key. List of contact names are the value. Did you follow this logic? Did everybody follow this logic? Write this one again. Create this logic again. Create the same logic again. First take one by one account. Then take what we want. Take the list of names. Then create the name.
can you explain this for loop of contact again, sir?
Contact one by a dot
Yeah, that
contact.
line.
We have a list of contacts. Account contacts. A is an account. A dot contacts. A is an account. A is an account. A dot contacts. If A is an account, 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 the corresponding contacts are A dot contacts. If A is an account, corresponding contacts are A dot contacts. If A is an account, A dot contacts, corresponding list of contacts. If A is an account, corresponding list of contacts we got. Take one by one contact. Contact will have last name and first name. I joined last name and first name, formed the name, which I am adding to the list of. So if there are 10 contacts, you get 10 contact names. 20 contacts, 20. 0 contacts, 0 names. Then I was putting yeah. What is it? C dot. Yeah. Now look at the format. Next, how do you get the values? Put is for putting the data. If you want to get of key, this will return the value associated with. This will return value associated with the key. 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 Then let's take from account A accounts. Account A accounts. We have account A accounts. I'm giving account map dot put account map dot put a dot name a dot industry. Account map dot put a dot name a dot industry. Account map dot put a dot name a dot industry. Then we got a map with account name as a key and industry as a value. We got a map with account name as a key and industry. We got map with account name as a key, industry as a value. Now I am trying to put the value here. System.debug. Then what I am trying to do? We are going to give string value equal to acc map dot put account map dot get If I give a key, value associated with the key will come. Let us see first output. Now we got null. What is the value associated with the key? What is the key I give? I gave this. Execute. Now we got here Dixon. We got account name as a key and industry as a value. Account name as a key, industry as a value. Account name as a key, industry as a value. Right, boss? Account name as a key, industry as a value. Now look at the code what I have given. Map dot get off, map dot get off, map dot get off key, map dot get off key, map dot get off key. Are you getting my point here? Map dot get off key. If I give a key, corresponding value will be coming. If I give a key, corresponding value will be coming. If I give a key, corresponding value will be coming. Are you getting my point? Map of get off key. Map of get off key. If I give a key, corresponding value will come. If I give a key, corresponding value will come. I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now let us go to the next example. What is the purpose of get? If we give a get off key, if I give a key, corresponding value will come. In the map, if I give a key, corresponding value will come. I hope you are good with this. Now in this we have key set. When I say key set, this will return set of keys. Only keys will be given to you. So I am giving here system.debug. What is the name of the map? Map.keyset. Execute. So we got here only keys. We got the keys. We got the keys here. Set of keys. If I want the value, only the values are required. Map.values. Execute. Now, we are getting only the values here. Biotechnology, energy, electronics, appeal. What was this called? Values. When there is a value. When there is a value. So key set will give you only set of keys. Values will give you list of values. Key set will give you list of key set will give you set of keys. Values is going to give you list of values. Key set. This will return set of keys. Values. Values. This will give you list of values. Key set, list of values. Key set, list of values. Right. Now let us go to the next one. Look at the format what we have. Everyone. Next example what I have. Listen carefully and get it. Create a sock call to fetch all the account names. Create a sock call to fetch all the account names and phone numbers. Create a map. Create a map with account name as key, create a map with account name as key and phone number as well. Create a map with account name as key and phone number as well. Create a map with account name as a key, phone number as well. Get all of account names. Get all the account names, get all phone numbers. It is subcode to fetch all the account names and phone numbers. Account A, accounts. Account A, accounts. Put A dot name, account name and account phone. Account name and account phone. Account name and account phone. Then what is that? Get all the account names. How do you get all the account names? ACC map dot values. String name account map dot key set. Account map dot key set. Account map dot values. Account map dot key set. Account map dot values. Key set means it give you right. Next, create a sock pull to fetch all the accounts with corresponding opportunities. The map with to this get all the account names, get all the opportunities. Now in this case, what you are doing? Writing a sock pull query to fetch account with the corresponding opportunities. Account then Take one by one account. Then we are going to give ACC map dot put a dot name as the key, a dot opportunity.
Hi Satish,
Yes,
don't should we not put the opportunities into the list? Add
it is a
opportunity.
list of opportunities. No, I told list of opportunity, not every individual opportunity. I told list of opportunity as a value. List of opportunity is a list, no value. Value is
Yes, but
that's why
in
a
for
dot
loop,
opportunity.
oh
A dot opportunity.
directly.
No,
Oh, all fields in the opportunity. Okay,
all opportunities of an account.
okay, opportunity. Yeah.
So a dot opportunity is list of opportunities.
Uh, I just have one query.
Yeah.
Now, when we are, adding
The
this,
rest of the people continue with the last two. Give me 1 minute. I'll just finish off this example. I'll answer your question. Now you are getting the names. Set of string is equal to a dot. Now, if it is a string, we get a string. If a value is a string, we get a list of string. If value is an integer, list of integer. If the value is a list of opportunity, then what we are going to get? List opportunity. Simple boss. If map of string comma string, how do you get all the values? How do you get all the values? List of. If map is an integer, list of content. If I give map of map of are you getting? If it is an account, list of account, contact, list of contact. If it is a list of account, list of list account. If it is a list of integer, list of list integer. If it is a string, list of string. If it is an integer, list of integer. If it is an account, list of account. If it is a contact, list of contact. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point here? If it is a string, list of string. If it is an integer, list of integer. If it is an account, list of account. If it is a contact, list of contact. If it is a list of account, we are going to get list of list account. List of integer is a list of integer. I hope you are good with this. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Right. Now, the same story. What was the value here? List of opportunity. So it is a list of opportunities equal to ACC map dot. Right, boss? That's all from my end. We'll continue in the next session. Yes, online. Somebody is asking a question. Go ahead now.
Satish, can you run the last example?
This example.
Yeah.
Seven. You'll get it in test classes. When you write the test classes, you'll be learning this test classes. This is how we're getting. Account name, all the keys, account names, all the values. Values are opportunity. Opportunity 1, opportunity 2, opportunity 3. Right, boss?
Here I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
One account may have multiple opportunities, correct?
Yes. May I also have
And so here the account name is the key.
exactly.
So if multiple opportunities are present for one account, so in there, if the ID should be unique. But here in this case, account name is will come multiple account name will come.
Now, the point here is we are not writing a particular logic. What we are trying to understand is if account name, I have to put an account name as a key, how to put it is the question. We are not trying to write a logic to get unique names. Get my point? Okay. My intention was to, or what is our intention? Our intention, if you have a list of account which contain a account with the corresponding contacts, put the account name as a key and put the account opportunities as a value is the question mark.
Yes.
Now, if our intention is, okay, if there is a possibility of uniqueness, there is a possibility of duplicate, how do you handle? Then you will go with the logic what you said. Here we are not building a specific requirement. We are building.
So
Tell me.
So in this case, it will overlap the.
Exactly. Exactly.
It will overlap.
Yeah. So here the requirement was only to put account name as a key. That is the specific requirement here. Got it, boss?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Come again? Integration. Schedulation చెప్తాను. Once I schedule, I will let you know. Batch is not current batch is completed. I'll let you know when it's going to start. నేను తెలుగులోనే చెప్తున్నానమ్మా. ఒకసారి షెడ్యూల్ చేసినాక ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న బ్యాచ్ అయినా కొత్త బ్యాచ్ షెడ్యూల్ చేసినప్పుడు చెప్తాను. షెడ్యూల్ చేయకుండా ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతాను? క్లోజ్ అయిందమ్మా. లాస్ట్ వీక్ ఆల్రెడీ రన్నింగ్ బ్యాచ్ అది. ఓకే. న్యూ బ్యాచ్ ఈ షెడ్యూల్ ఐ విల్ లెట్ యు నో when it is scheduled. Okay.